I didn't know such
Yo, can we kick this fucking dude out?
The guy with the tiny hat.
Hey, yo, we don't have merch in the back, but after we play, give me like 10 minutes and we'll have shit set up. So come pick something up. Hey, yo, we'll give you everything for free. You guys want to hear a brand new one? Honestly, to most of you, these are all new. You never even heard of them. Hey, I will say though, this is a brand new one. This is the first time we've ever played it. And this one goes out to all the fuckers from Lemon Grove. That's where we're from. That's where we grew up. We don't fuck around. We love OB, but we're fucking from Lemon Grove. Let's get it moving with that funky bass line. Let's see it, all you Lemon Grove fuckheads.